Moving your designs from Figma to Penpot. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import Figma files into Penpot in 2026. We'll walk through exporting your design from Figma, importing it into Penpot, and reviewing everything to make sure your project is ready for editing. Start by opening the Figma project you want to move. Before exporting, organize your file by naming layers clearly, removing unused elements, and checking that important components are in good shape. A clean file usually imports much more smoothly. Next, export your design using a format that Penpot supports for import. Depending on the current tools and workflow available, this may involve exporting your file or using a compatible transfer method. Follow the available export options in Figma before switching to Penpot. Now sign in to your Penpot account and create a new project, or open an existing one where you'd like to place your imported design. Once you're inside the project, create a new design file if needed. Look for the import option inside Penpot. Select your exported file and wait while Penpot processes the design. The import time depends on the size and complexity of your project, so larger files may take a little longer. After the import is complete, carefully review every screen. Check text formatting, colors, spacing, images, icons, and reusable components. So some elements may require small adjustments after the transfer, especially in more complex designs. Once you're satisfied with the imported file, save your project and continue editing in Penpot. You can now create new screens, update components, collaborate with teammates, and build on your existing design without starting over. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import Figma files into Penpot in 2026. With a little preparation and a quick review after the import, you can move your projects with confidence and continue designing in Penpot. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.